Okay, class 11th now comes to the today's class. Today we are having the same chapter, that is training and doping in sports, and today we are conclude our syllabus with the last topic of this chapter, that is dealing with alcohol and substances abuse. Clear? After this particular topic your syllabus will be completed, and in the next class I'll teach you regarding your practical that be maybe occurred in month of February. Before that you have to purchase a practical file of physical education. ऐसा ना हो कि all of you are purchasing the science manual, lab manuals and write down the physical education in that. That is not acceptable for your 11th class practical. Clear? So you have a time, and at least month of November, December and Jan, 3 months in your hand. So please be ensure to regarding the purchasing of practical file. If you have any doubt regarding to purchasing the practical file, then ask me on the WhatsApp group. Clear? So Bacha Party come to the last topic of this particular chapter as well as your syllabus, that is dealing with alcohol and the substances abuse. First of all, what is the meaning of alcohol abuse? Abusers are typically heavy drinkers who continue drinking regardless of the result. Alcohol can be an addictive substance. Not everyone who consumes alcohol will become addicted. It should be noted that alcohol addiction and abuse are not same. It is important to understand the fact on alcohol abuse. Alcohol addiction refers to a psychological dependence on alcohol that involves continuous compulsive drinking that does not stop despite observed consequences. It means alcohol addiction and alcohol abuse, these both things are different. Alcohol abuse means the person who is consuming the alcohol within a gap or within some times, not regularly. And alcohol addiction means the person who is consuming the alcohol regularly, and it is a psychological dependence. The person, those who are become addicted of this particular substance that is known as alcohol, that is a psychological condition of that particular person, that he is totally dependent on that particular alcohol, rather than he does not stop despite the adverse consequences is raised up. Clear? So, and alcohol abusers are not necessarily addicted to the alcohol, and it is very clearly mentioned that those persons, those who are known as the alcohol abusers, they are not necessarily become addicted to the alcohol. So this is the meaning of alcohol abuse. Signs and symptoms. Individuals who suffer from alcohol abuse do not always exhibit the same symptoms such as the individual's background and the medical history. Symptoms simple हैं, that is individual का background कैसा है, उसका medical history कैसा है, and individual who suffer from the alcohol abuse do not always exhibit the same symptoms. It is basically, it is clear that the person who is addicted to the alcohol as well as the person who is abusing the substance alcohol abuse, the symptoms are not the same. Now come to the sign of alcoholism. Clear? So first sign of alcoholism is depression. Second one is inability to control drinking. Third one is declining academic and professional performance. And the last one is conflict with the loved one. So these are the few signs of alcoholism. Effect of alcohol abuse. So there are so many effects of alcohol abuse. So we are dividing the effects of alcohol abuse in two forms, that is short term and the long term. First of all, alcohol abuse has a wide range of consequences, from nausea and headache, from a hangover to severe liver problem from drinking. Because the effect of the alcohol abuse is started from the minor range and it may goes up to the higher range, that is to the death. Clear? So come to the first type of effect, that is short term effects. Short term effects जो कम समय के लिए हैं, that is nausea, vomiting, anxiety, memory loss, coma and death. And the long term effects, mouth, throat, liver cancer, heart problems, brain damage, weak immune system, liver diseases, pancreatitis and the ulcer kind of diseases may be occur if the person is addicted about this particular alcohol. Clear? So the students, this is the last topic of your syllabus. Right now your syllabus is totally finished. So from the next class I'll start with the practical part of your syllabus, and be prepared for the, after completion of this practical part, be prepared for the daily class test. Clear? Thank you.